So in today's topic, we'll be talking about radial hemimelia. Okay, hemimelia. So what is radial hemimelia? It means longitudinal absence of the absence of the radius. Okay, and because of this, what happens is the ulna will bend towards the radius. Okay, the ulna will bend towards the radius. So this is known as hemimelia. And in hemimelia, there might be a complete or a partial hemimelia. Complete or partial hemimelia. So if it's a complete hemimelia, all of the radius and towards that axis. Okay, so radius, scaphoid, trapezium, and thumb. Okay, you can remember RSTT. Okay, radius, scaphoid, all that area, towards that area. You know that whenever we talked about the carpal bones, we learned that she looks too pretty, try to catch her, right? And over here you have your radius, right? So this is your scaphoid and this is your trapezium, right? First comes trapezium, then comes trapezoid, right? And then capitulum hamate, isn't it? So trapezium is absent. Okay, so scaphoid, trapezium, thumb. Okay, and you know, if the thumb is absent, the function of the hand is very less. So we have to reconstruct this, and reconstruction is known as policization. That means we are actually putting index finger or great toe at the area of thumb. Okay, so it might be associated with, one is Holt-Oram syndrome, other one is Fanconi syndrome, other one is Star syndrome, other one is Vector syndrome. Okay, Holt-Oram syndrome, Fanconi syndrome, Tar syndrome, and Vector syndrome. Okay, so Holt-Oram syndrome, what happens in Holt-Oram syndrome? There is abnormalities of the limb and heart. Okay, Fanconi syndrome. Then there is Tar syndrome. Tar means thrombocytopenia and absent radius. Okay, thrombocytopenia and absent radius. Tar syndrome. And Vector. So what is Vector? VACTER. Okay, vertebral, anal, cardiac, tracheoesophageal fistula, esophageal atresia, and renal and radial abnormality. So this is about Vector syndrome. So you'll go for policization. So looking into the picture, this is known as radial club hand. So this is also known as golfer hands. So if it known as golf foot, that is the club foot, that is basically your CTEV. And over here, everything in the axis will be absent in the complete. Okay, so this completes our video on radial hemimelia.